Have you ever wondered why so many muscle-boosting powders promise energy, yet leave you feeling drained or even achy? Because the truth is, the very supplements many seniors trust for strength might actually be quietly stressing their bodies instead. Most gym goers don't talk about it. But creatine and BCAAs, the golden duo of the fitness world, can turn into a double-edged sword, especially after 50. And the danger isn't in the supplement itself, it's in how your aging body processes it. See, when we were younger, our kidneys, liver, and digestive enzymes worked like a well-tuned orchestra. Every scoop of powder got broken down, absorbed, and used efficiently. But after 50, that system slows, and what used to fuel muscle repair may now strain the very organs working hardest to keep you healthy. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many seniors start taking creatine or BCAAs, hoping to stop muscle loss, something called sarcopenia. But when those powders pile up faster than your body can handle, it can lead to dehydration, bloating, and even higher levels of waste products like creatinine, which your kidneys must filter out. So you end up more tired, more puffy, and sometimes even weaker. Crazy, right? The supplement meant to boost energy may actually drain it. But here's the good news. Your body already has natural ways to rebuild muscle and energy safely without overloading your system. Let's break it down simply. First strategy. Focus on real food creatine sources. Grass-fed beef, wild fish, and eggs naturally provide creatine, but in balanced amounts your body can handle. These foods also come with nutrients like B12 and omega-3s that help muscle cells actually use that creatine efficiently. It's like upgrading from cheap gasoline to premium fuel. Your body burns it cleaner. Second strategy. Support your cellular hydration system. Creatine works by pulling water into your muscles, but if you're not well hydrated or mineral balanced, it can backfire. Add natural electrolytes, a pinch of sea salt, a squeeze of lemon, or even coconut water. This helps your muscles stay energized without feeling bloated or crampy. A simple fix that changes everything. Third strategy. Repair from the inside out with daily movement. Light resistance training, even simple chair squats or resistance bands, signals your body to rebuild muscle naturally. When you combine this with whole food protein like eggs or cottage cheese, your body produces its own creatine balance without the excess powder load. Think of it as turning your muscles into natural creatine factories. No supplements needed. Now, for seniors who still want to use creatine safely, here's a smart variation. Try creatine HCl instead of the usual monohydrate. It dissolves better, absorbs faster, and requires a much smaller dose, reducing the chance of bloating or kidney strain. But even then, it's best cycled in short phases, a few weeks on, then off, while monitoring hydration and digestion. Here's the root truth. You don't need to out-supplement aging. You just need to work with your biology, not against it. Because muscle growth after 50 isn't about force, it's about balance. The goal isn't more powders, it's better function. When you nourish your body naturally, move daily, and stay hydrated, your muscles respond, your energy stabilizes, and your strength returns without the crash. And that's the kind of long-term vitality no supplement can replace. If you want to follow a simple, step-by-step natural plan to rebuild your strength safely, download our Muscle Revival Blueprint, a 30-day guide to reverse age-related muscle loss naturally using food, light training, and recovery rituals designed specifically for adults over 50. And before you go, if you've ever wondered whether creatine HCl is truly better for seniors, the next video on your screen breaks it all down in plain language. Don't miss it. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever felt worse after taking a supplement that was supposed to make you stronger? Share your experience in the comments. Your story might help someone else avoid the same mistake. Because sometimes the best way to get stronger is to stop fighting your own body and start working with it.